Welcome back to Math 107 College Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at solving radical equations with one radical in the equation. So I give you the equation 5 plus the square root of x plus 7 equals x. Now we could square this as is, but that's going to get us in a situation we don't want to be in. So instead I'm going to start by getting the radical by itself. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. That'll give me the square root of x plus 7 is equal to x minus 5. Now I will go ahead and square both sides of the equation. So I get x plus 7 is equal to x minus 5 squared. So I'll go ahead and square that right side. So I have x plus 7 is equal to x squared minus 10x plus 25. I'll subtract the x and the 7 from both sides, so I get 0 is equal to x squared minus 11x plus 18. And at this point, you can solve this quadratic any way you want. I'm going to go ahead and factor it. So I get 0 is equal to x minus 2 times x minus 9. So I get x equals 2, or x equals 9, which I obtained by setting each of those factors equal to 0 and solving them separately. Now, the problem we run into is when we square something, we could have the possibility of the one side's negative and the other side's positive, and when we square them, we end up getting the same thing. So this is another case that we have to check our work. So in the case of x equals 2, I have 5 plus the square root of 2 plus 7. We want to know if that's equal to 2. Well, 2 plus 7 is 9. And then square root of 9 is 3, so I get 5 plus 3 is equal to 2, or 8 equals 2, which is not true. So we can eliminate x equals 2 as a solution. Now do not automatically assume we get two solutions and one of them is invalid, the other one's automatically going to be valid. We need to check it too. So there, I get 9, I'm sorry, that's still 5. 5 plus the square root of 9 plus 7. And we're checking to see if that equals 9. So I have 5 plus the square root of 16. Possibly being equal to 9. 5 plus 4. Checking to see if it's equal to 9. And I get 9 equals 9. That checks out. So x equals 9 is a solution to our equation. So in this case, the only solution we get is x equals 9. It is not necessarily true that you will only get one solution, nor is it necessarily true that one of your solutions you get from that will work. You do need to check every answer that you obtain. So in the next video, we're going to take a look at what to do if we have two radicals in the equation.